What's good, YouTube? This is Anthony Lyons back again with a quick video. This is a 2013 Nissan 370Z. This is a vehicle I did a while back. Down here in the compartment area. Move this. We got Rockford Fosgate sub I did. Little custom panel, little color. Got the logo there, Gizmo. Well, now it's time to upgrade to just a deck, double-din deck. So stay tuned. And here we are. After the time lapse, you can see I got the radio out. Now I'm going to start wiring up the harness for the new Sony Double-din radio. Again, the factory radio is coming out. Sony's going in. The previous system that I did in this vehicle, I used a high-low adapter by Audio Control. It's the LC2i. So that's coming out, and the RCA cables that come from there will go from the amplifier into the new radio. So we'll get a lot better sound and a little more functionality. I like that word. So stay tuned for pictures of the harness and the final footage of the deck install on the 2013 Nissan 370. Stay tuned. And there you go, YouTube. Sony radio's all in. Again, this is a vehicle that I did a while back. So we have the Sony radio now in place. We have a Rockford Fosgate amplifier underneath this seat right here. There's Rockford Fosgate speakers in the doors. And as you can see from earlier, we have the Rockford Fosgate sub, the Gizmo logo, and a little red accent. Stay tuned for more from AL Design.